Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you salt and coffee. You won't believe the results. It's whitening the skin tone literally in seconds and will get you fair, spotless, milky skin with very simple ingredients, kitchen ingredients at home that will whiten your skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin from first use. You will notice a great results, my friends. This magical remedy whitening the skin tone from first use and will get you an amazing results without causing any side effects with all natural ingredients. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add, of course, is 1 full teaspoon of salt. Here I'm using the sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, I recommend you try to get it because it's super effective in remedies. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Then we need to add on it around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Now we need to mix very well until the salt will dissolve completely. Like so, my friends. Now I'm going to leave it like so. At home you need to mix very well until the salt dissolves completely. Now for the video's sake I'm not going to continue mixing and you need to mix more than this. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural dark coffee. I'm using dark coffee in the remedies, my friends. Try to get dark coffee and use it because it gives an amazing results. Now mix again very well. Mix like so. Once you mixed well and combine all the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely. Then rinse it with cold water.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas. And also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.